Well, hello everybody, and we're back at the Dollar General because there's some more free stuff that I didn't get the other day. And, well, you want to know what it is. And an awesome deal as well. And we're going to try out one of those earn money things and see how that works out for us on food items. So come on, we're going to go in the store on another field trip. Make sure you like the video on the way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you love to save money, where you're in the right spot, so go ahead and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information, or just hanging out with me, Jenny, the crazy country couponer, and her crazy friends. Okay? You don't want to miss none of that. So right now, hit the subscription button. Alright, guys. We're going to go in the store, and I'm going to show you a couple of free items and a, hopefully, really awesome deal. Well, guys, anytime we do a store tour field trip, we always find good stuff. And what have I just found? I just found, well, a price cut. 3 for $5 on golden flake pork skins. So, an awesome protein-filled snack. I won't say it's good for you, but it's good tasting anyway. 3 for $5. They're regularly $2 a piece, so you'll be saving $1. We also have these Ritz crackers, snacks, little Ritz bits, 2 for $6, or regularly $3.95. You're saving almost $2 with this deal right here. Kiddos go back to school. The Cheez-Its on sale for $2.50. We got a buy one get one free sale. Green Dot, guys. Green Dot, buy one get one free. Good stuff on the Green Dot. Oh yeah, look at that. I like the fake greenery. Okay. Okay, guys, your first free item is not here. It is the Bright and Clean Dollar Oral-B toothbrush. You've got a $1 coupon, and it is attaching to that, making it absolutely free. So that is your first freebie. Now your next free item is over here in the Believe Beauty Nail. Well, free enough for me anyway. $1.25 for the Believe Beauty top coat. And some of your basic colors, I think. I'll have to scan to make sure. They must be going to the fall colors because everything is dark now. But I like that color. That's nice. I bet that's not $1.25 though. But your top coat is, so free top coat, guys. Let's see what else could be free. Oh, nail file, big 25 cents. Sanding block, 65 cents. So $1 off of any Believe Beauty nail. So all but free. Okay guys, we've got a $4 off coupon on Airwick, and on the picture it looks like it's for this one, but it is attaching to this one for $6.50, making that $2.50. Okay, that's not all the way free, but that's close enough for me. So I'm gonna pick me up one of these things. Okay, don't forget you also have the car for Breeze for $3.25. It's glitching and giving it to you absolutely free because they're on sale for buy one get one free, and one of them is attaching to the digital coupon buy one get one free, so it makes it 20 cents. Alright, next thing that we're going to pick up that's not quite free but almost free, and they don't have the one that I want, or I don't see it. I want the green for $5.50. It is on sale for $5. We've got a $3 digital coupon making that $2. Now this is the Unstoppable Touch fabric spray, and it is Breeze. Not quite what I wanted. I wanted the green one, but we'll look and see if they have it, and if so, we'll pick up the green one. But look, less than $5 right there. Winna winna chicken dinner. And of course, let's see, how much is a starter kit anymore? $6.50. $6.25 with the brown sugar and vanilla. And then of course we have Glade, but I don't think we have any deals on Glade. Oh, yes. We're going to talk about a glitch, guys. A wonderful, wonderful glitch. If I can find the product. Are they sold out? Oh, they must be sold out. Okay. I'm going to show it to you the best I can. But it looks like they're sold out. We're talking about the Snuggle Island Hibiscus and Rain. It's the pink one. You've got a $2 paper coupon out of the inserts from Sunday. Okay? It is glitching and attaching to the $3.75 Snuggle bottle of that scent. Okay? I'll put it up here in a picture so you'll know. So you've got a $2 and it's on sale for $1 or for $3.75. That's going to make them $1.75. So hopefully you picked up 4 newspapers like I tell you all the time, because you're going to be snuggled up because of this paper glitch. Now, since we're talking about paper glitches and we don't talk about them much anymore like we used to, but let's go into paper glitches. Okay. A glitch can go away at any time if it's digital. Paper glitches, not so much. It takes reading them. Okay? Just so you know that. What is a glitch? A glitch is a coupon or an offer that's not working the way it's intended to work. It's working in our favor, and we are taking advantage of it. Hear me when I say take advantage. Read your coupons. If you are not comfortable doing the deals the way I tell you they can be done, just do what the coupon says. Everything be hunky-dory. If you are set to try a glitch, then follow the instructions. And if the glitch does not work for you, simply cancel the transaction, okay? That way, you're not stuck with said items. This is a paper glitch, so do not do the paper glitches unless you're 18 years or older. Digital glitches, it doesn't matter. Simple said. And anytime you're using paper coupons, present your paper coupons after you put your phone number in. And know if you have a digital coupon for the same product, that digital coupon will come off before the paper coupon. And in order to keep that from happening, well, tune in, I'll tell you. Next video. We don't want to go into it in the store. So, alright guys. Glitching Snuggle. Super cheap deal. Because we have an additional $5 off when you spend $15. So, you can pick up 3 of these. 3 of these Snuggles. 4 Snuggles. 4 Snuggles. Yep, I'll get you the math up here. We'll get you a Snuggle deal up here using those glitching coupons. And so there you go. More free stuff all the time. Okay guys, look at this. These are on sale 2 for $9, the Downy beads. Now you have several different Downy coupons that you can use. You got $3 coupons on this Downy, oh not this one, excuse me, on the cotton Downy, on the pink Downy, and on the Downy Calm. So, now let's talk about another glitching coupon. Now you have this in a paper glitch, $12 off of 2, and you also have this in a digital glitch. You get a $5 off and a $2 off, and the $2 off is supposed to be the right one. So the $5 off is attaching. So if you wanted to do 1 and 1, you're looking at $14.50. $5 is going to come off, $9.50, or do it on Saturday. You know, throw it in a scenario. Free stuff, huh? Not all of it's free, but we try to get as close as we can, guys. Now, if you do the beret, you have got a earn coupon on that. I'm not quite sure exactly how that works yet, but we're going to go find out, because I'm going to be picking up a couple more items, and they are earn items, so we'll see how that's going to work for us. Now we're going to try this Pillsbury thing. We're going to pick up 2 of the Pillsbury products, 2 for $6. We've got a $1 off digital coupon, and we've got to earn $1 on one. So they're both showing up in the app that they are working. So we're going to see if they do work together. And if that's the case, then we'll be paying $4 for 2. An awesome deal for Pillsbury. Okay guys, I'm home. And the weirdest thing, now at the register, after everything was said and done, I put my phone number in. It was $13 and change, you know, with tax is what it came to. $13.30, I think. Or 13. 13, yeah, $13.30, I do believe is what it was. But I want you to look at my receipt that I just looked at when I got home. None of my digitals are showing up that they came off. And it says here that I paid $28.11. So I'm not quite sure exactly what happened, but I'm telling you, I paid $13.30. That's with my taxes. So I did the math, and it should have been $12.90. Okay? With a savings of $13. Now, the thing about that is, now, if I get those rebates back, That's going to be $6 in rebates. And that means we'll be paying $7 out of pocket for the Caesar's dog food, the Pillsbury cookies, the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, the Airwick, and the Febreze. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for $7. That's not bad, guys. That's a winner chicken dinner. Okay? And even without that rebate, the $12.90 out of pocket, this is an absolute deal. I mean, you're getting your Pillsbury stuff for $3 a piece. You're getting some dog food for $3.40. You're getting your Airwick for $2.50. And your Febreze for $2. So, I mean, this is an awesome deal, guys. And it's an awesome daily deal because you can do it any day of the week and still save tons of money because of the rebates. Now, I also wanted to remind you, 2 weeks ago's newspaper inserts, we have the Febreze coupons. They do expire on Saturday. So, great way to get more bang for your buck. Use these in your gain deals. Use them standalone. And use them on the car air fresheners and get you more free glitching car air fresheners. Okay? In this case, it wouldn't be glitching. And it's not really glitching. It's just a perfect storm. Which means that the sale and the coupon coincided to give you something for an absolute phenomenal price, which is 20 cents. So, there you go, guys. Full of chicken dinner deals. And we'll talk again real soon, because we have a slew of different gain and all and Snuggle scenarios coming up, because we have those extra 5 off coupons. Blessings.